Hi friends, welcome in our Forex Guide channel. If you are new in our channel, please go for subscribe and also watch our previous video. Today I am going to discuss with you what is bid price, ask price, what is swap charge also. So now you can see here, this is your bid price and this is your ask price. You can see here, bid price is less than always ask price. So now you ask me, what do you mean about ask price and bid price? Suppose you think you have USD currency, but you need to convert it euro currency. Now you go on to any currency broker who will help you to convert your currency. There you see your currency broker always offer you two price. One price is bid price and one price also ask price. When you will buy it, that price will be difference. When you will sell it, that price will be difference. Suppose you think you want to buy a gold ring. When you will buy, when you go to sell it, then they will offer less price than your buy price. So that is called your bid price and ask price. So now I am going to discussing with you what is spread. Spread means difference between ask price and bid price. That is called spread. So now I am going to discussing with you what is swap charge. You must know about swap charge. Swap charge can be totally finished your account. So what is swap charge? Suppose you think you have opened a trade today, but you did not close this trade today. Here will cut a charge after once day. That is called swap charge. Swap charge will increase with day by day. You can see here also swap charge option. When you will trade here, any trade will go after once day. Then here also will show your swap charge. Thank you.